Hey guys, Sam and Mason from the Pallet Fortress. Today we have an unboxing video for you guys.
BattlBox has sent us a box full of cool gear. The first item is a molle tourniquet holder.
The next item is a protein puck energy bar.
The next item is a magazine holder. I guess we have to use this for our Nerf clips.
The next item is a rechargeable lighter.
The big item here is a ViperTech stun gun. It's shocking. We'd like to thank John and the crew from BattlBox for the awesome gear they send us.
Battle Rose out.